All right, number 8, locate the absolute extrema. All right, so when you have this situation, you've got to check your endpoints. So that's the difference between the local and the absolute. Because in this case, we're not just including this point and this point, but the endpoints might also be the absolute highest points. And so we're going to have to check each one individually to see which value comes out the highest and which value comes out the lowest. All right, but we're still going to do basically what we do on the first derivative test, only you don't have to make the sign chart because we're just going to straight up plug in the numbers to see which one's the highest and which one's the lowest. All right, let's find the first derivative. All right. We need to find the critical points, so wherever the derivative is 0 or undefined. Add 27 to both sides, divide by 3, take the square root, and we're going to get plus or minus 3. Don't forget about that plus or minus situation. However, the interval is only between 0 and 4. So the only points we need to check are 0, 3, and 4. Negative 3 is not in the interval. Alright, so now we're going back to the original function because I want to find out which one gives me the highest value, not the highest slope. That would be the derivative. I just want the highest value. So if I plug in 0 for x, 0 cubed minus 27 times 0 is 0. Alright, the next one, 3 cubed is 27 minus 27 times 3. Alright, well that's definitely going to give me a negative value. And I say it just says locate the absolute max and min, so I don't necessarily need to calculate 27 times 3 if I don't feel like it. And then 4 cubed is 64 minus 27 times 4. Alright. It looks like I may actually have to think about this for a second. Alright. 27 minus, that's definitely negative. 64 minus 27 times 4. 27 times 4 is going to give me something bigger than 64, so that's also negative. So this is my max. It seems weird that 0 is the maximum, but it is. And then I have to figure out if 27 minus 27 times 3 or 64 minus 27 times 4 is smaller. And this